telecomers. So today I will discuss about the rollout activity. As a telecom engineer, what is your role and responsibility in a rollout activity? Let's start it out. So the task is add 3 tri-band antennas, try your dual band antenna. At height 30, 40 meter and 60 meter. And install radio remote unit of 900, 1800 and 2100 megahertz. Also add microwave with height 45 meter and the diameter 2.0 meter at following legs at leg 3. So the 3 tri-band antennas you have to add 3 meter, 40 meter and 60 meter respectively. Leg 1 for leg 2 40 meter and leg 3 60 meter, and at leg 4 add microwave at 45 meter. This is RF antenna. Suppose that we want to install this antenna at the height of 30 meter for leg 1 and the direction is given as 90 degree. For the second 220 degree. For the third one it's 340 degree. And the microwave at the height of at the direction of 360 degree. For RRU add this with leg 1 for sector 1 antenna, leg 1 30 meter. At the back side of the antenna you will install this RRU 900. For RRU 1800 add antenna at leg 2 at 40 meter. For 2100 megahertz for leg 3 at 60 meter. So this is the rollout site. You have to install the new tower and add this equipment with this description. So first you started from the leg 1. So in previous lecture I discussed the direction of the leg 1. If you are going to install the new site and you don't know where the leg 1 is, so you will use the compass, and from the compass you check the direction from the north. in the north direction, you start your sector 1. So from the north direction, leg 1 and the next leg 2, suppose leg 2 is from leg 1 to leg 2 in the north direction. Suppose this is leg 1 in the north direction, and the next leg move from here for the next leg in the clockwise direction. So that leg is leg 2, and the next leg is leg 3, and the next leg is leg 4. So I hope so you understand this clockwise direction for the legs from the leg 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am going to start from the leg 1. For the leg 1 data at the 30 meter, you calculate from the tower joint. From first joint is at 5 meter, the next is at 10 meter, the third is 15 and the fourth is 20. After 6 joints, that height will be calculated as 30 meter. Suppose this is your 6th joint, and with the help of joint you can calculate the tower height. So here you install the RF antenna at 30 meter with direction (90°). Also add the 900 MHz frequency band of RRU with this. So you will add the RRU below the antenna or at the back side of the antenna. (900 MHz is frequency). So your leg 1 is complete. After completing the installation from the leg 1, move on to the leg 2. For the leg 2, suppose this is the leg 2. As per leg 2, at 40 meter, add one RF antenna with the direction to 20° and 1800 MHz RRU installed with it. So first you calculate with the help of joints. So after 8 joints, because one joint consists of 5 meter, so the second joint will make 10 meter. After 8 joint, you can calculate the tower height at 40 meter. So here we install the RF antenna and add the RRU here. With 1800 MHz frequency. And for the direction, check the direction from the compass. You can check where the direction 220° lies. There you can face the direction of the antenna towards 220° to make the transmission path clear for the direction of sector 2. And for the third one, at leg 3, suppose this is our leg 3. So here the antenna is at the height of 60 meter. install the RRU with the antenna 2100 megahertz, you can see. With the height of direction of 340 degree. So after calculating the tower joints, you can calculate where the exact height of 60 meter. So after calculating the joints with a multiple of 5, suppose 5 into 12 joints, you have the 5 meter joint each and multiply it with the 12 joints. After that you can calculate the tower height at 60 meters. So your installation for the RRU and antenna is completed. So move on to the microwave. Suppose that this is leg 4 and you will install the microwave as per given layout at 360 degree with height of 40 meter. Suppose after 8 joints, 5 meter joint each, you calculate the tower microwave height at 40 meter here. So add the microwave antenna at 40 meter and give the direction of 360 degree with the help of compass. Add it at leg 4. So this is the basic installation as a rollout activity. In rollout, you need to install each and every sector at the tower side so that you can complete your task. So I hope so you understand this basic rollout installation activity, and further I will add more activities. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.